So hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to view my videos. So today we are gonna be hanging out with one of my favorite people ever. Yeah, so meet Justin. This is my younger brother. I don't know how this angle looks like. Yeah, we are just hanging out. It's on a Sunday afternoon after church. We are eating noodles.
I'm always eating.
Yeah, and he's telling me that noodles are his favorite food.
His favorite food?
That no whatever, if you get it, if you don't get it, forget about it. So we wanna do some few questions with him, and this is gonna be how well do you know me questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
How well do you know your sister? So nasamanga, I heard you telling sijui nani that I'm your best friend.
Yeah.
We are besties like that. So actually, let's see, we are about to find out. Number one, what's my favorite movie and why do I love it so much? Okay, not movie, like what do I love watching? Vlogs. Yeah, who specifically? Which YouTuber?
Sarah Waruguru.
Ay, my lord. Huyo peke yake? Hata niambia kina Nairobi, akina Mikali.
Nairobi Mikali. Kuna huyu mwingine wa South Africa, All Small Stuff. Huyo, sindo? Na Kim Kardashian.
Sawa. Number 2. That one was correct. Number 2, which food do I absolutely dislike?
Omena.
No. Nachukia
omena. Githeri. Githeri.
Omena siku hizi si nimeanza kukula. Sile siku nilikuonyesha nilikula omena. Lakini sikulangi githeri. Okay, I do eat, but I avoid. If I can avoid, I do it. Next, what's one of my happiest childhood memories? Happiest childhood memories
of me and you, Ama?
That would be perfect.
Ile siku enye hadi nilikuwa nimetoka kukuambia tu sasa hivi. Venye nilikuwa nashtuka na kuja kwa kitanda yako usiku, nasema nakuliwa na kimtu.
This guy when he was little, not that little, we used to share a bedroom. So he used to come to my bedroom every single day, to my bed. Our beds are literally next to each other every day. I would wake up and find him in my bed at Yanogopa. That's so hilarious. Number 4, what am I most afraid of?
Afraid of? Wait, I know. Insects. Sindio?
That's so funny. Number 5, what is my favorite hobby?
Your favorite hobby? Singing. Yeah.
Singing, guys. What's a place I've always wanted to visit?
South Africa.
Woo! Next, what's one thing I'm really good at?
Really good at? Good at cooking.
Yeah, I cook really nice food. Cooking, guys. Hey, don't play with my cooking. My skills are like this. What's my favorite book, and have I ever talked about Why it's my favorite?
No.
The power.
That's
not my favorite. I don't like reading. Kwani wewe mimi sipendi kusoma.
Lakini unasomanga saa zingine.
Nasomanga power but si nimeanza juzi.
Ujaisoma kitabu ingine.
Is that supposed to be a day summer?
No.
So what kind of music do I listen to?
Old songs.
Inaitwa old school R&B. Yeah. Not old songs. Sawa. What's my favorite family tradition? What's my favorite family tradition?
The tradition?
As in family tradition. Ujui family tradition ni? For instance, unaweza sema kama venye tuna hostingi wageni on Christmas.
The day.
Ni gani, which is my favorite? Ama ni tukifanya birthdays za family members.
I guess ni
hosting on Christmas Day. Hata nimepokea clue. We usually host our family. I'm sorry for that. We outside. We usually host. Unakunywa nini? Unaleta chai?
Niko okay.
We usually host our family during Christmas on 24th of December. It's a tradition since when my dad was there. I love it. That's my favorite family tradition. What's something I always say?
My lord.
Na gani ingine? Kuna my lord. My lord. What subject was my favorite when I was in school?
Kiswahili.
Yeah, Kiswahili. What's my biggest pet peeve? Pet peeve ni nini sipendi kabisa.
Wewe. I guess mtoto could disrespect. Ama?
Unachukanga vitu zangu. Na unaharibu. This jamaa usually takes my things and he spoils them. Unakumbuka uliniharibia ile tripod ingine?
Sio mimi niliharibu. Siendele.
That's what I deal with. I cannot continue with that. Dakasirika hapa sahi. Who is my hero or role model? Yo, ujui. Hata mistake kwambia. Yo, pass that one. What's one talent or skill I wish I had?
Dancing. Unadansi kama kana. You have two left feet.
Guys, I can't dance to save my life, honestly. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed those few questions with my brother. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and please remember to leave a comment. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, so welcome to part 2 of this video that I'll get to know him better. He wants to test whether I know him, and because I raised him and I've seen him from the first day that he was born, I definitely know him very, very good, very well. Najua kuna mtu anakujua kama mimi. Wewe mzembe thing.
Iko wapi hiyo?
So let's start.
What's my favorite color?
Black.
Yeah. What game do I love to play?
You don't love playing games.
Yeah.
Football.
Basketball.
Sijai kuona.
I play basketball.
At school?
Yeah.
Walai. Okay.
What game do I hate to play?
Football.
What's my favorite food in the world?
Indomie, aka nodules. My mama alisema hizo those are not healthy.
I don't care. What's my favorite chore?
Cooking.
What's my favorite season of the year?
Christmas.
What's my least favorite season of the year?
The part where you go back to school. I don't know what's this. That's back to school season. Na ni kesho. Utajua ujui.
Nangoja waseme.
Bado hujasema vitu zenye nataka kubaiwa. Hakuna father notice.
Unayo.
Listen to this guy.
Aki Ruto tu.
Hebu ndo some wacha mchezo. Hizo ni mambo gani za niambia. Next.
How old am I?
13 years old.
How tall am I?
Hey, uko 13 ama 12?
13 where?
When you teen?
Yeah.
Oh my god, just the other day. You're how tall you are? You must be 5'3".
I 5.
Uko 5?
Yeah.
That's what I didn't.
What's my favorite store?
Kamindi. Hizo ni mbaya. Si ukweli?
Please tell me. Ndio wa Kamindi.
Oh, wewe si Kamindi. Niliachokia Kamindi.
Unajua. What's my favorite flavor of ice cream?
Strawberry.
Sip. Which do I think is the best room in our home?
Sitting room, TV room. This guy is always watching the TV all the time, every day. If you wonder where he is, he no longer even goes to play TV.
Who's my best friend?
Jomwai.
Yeah. What type of music do I like best?
Hii inaitangwa aje? Hizo ni si R&B, si hip hop, si ndio?
R&B
zile za kina Billie Eilish.
Hizo.
Sawa. So ni R&B. Nilikuwa nashangaa zinaitwa aje. Nilikuwa nataka kukuambia Billie Eilish.
What's my favorite song?
My lord. Oh. Tyler. Make me say.
Alafu kuna ingine, it's a funny song.
Gani? Ila
early in
the morning. Ooh, that's a very stupid song. Be my little. I'll put it right there.
We share the same nini. What type of music do I not like?
Bongo. Yeah. Najua upendi bongo.
Where is my favorite restaurant to eat at?
Najua KFC. But need you to, like, you haven't gone. I'll take you to more restaurants. Next.
Misha.
How fast.
And ma.
Be my little honey.
Let me sing for you that song. Nzangaje?
Early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Early in the evening.
Early in the morning. Early in the evening. Early in the Sabbath time. Then my little honey, and love me only time. Ni unaniuliza ma?
Zenye nimeuliza una skip, zenye tushatakula una skip.
What's my favorite drink?
Apple juice. Akisi. Oh, tea. What? Sasa hiyo ulikuwa unakunywa chai.
Sasa kama nakunywa chai, it's my favorite.
What? Sasa
napenda kununulia goe guy wewe.
Napenda kukubai yogurt.
Yeah.
Yogurt. Pole. Why would I forget?
What's my favorite snack?
Crackers, aka crepes.
When? Which team in football do I support?
Manchester.
Where?
Man U.
Man City.
Oh, Man City. I don't know about football, guys. Man City.
What do I like eating?
No juice. Ay, that one. Hey, my lord.
What is my favorite country?
Japan.
What do I like watching?
Anime.
What is the craziest thing that I've ever done? And would you love me to do it again?
Definitely no. I can't remember what. Oh, the craziest thing
I've ever done, and you would love me to do it again.
I would love you.
You will love it. You will love me to do it again.
I wouldn't. Let me say the craziest thing, but I wouldn't love you to do it. Nakumbuka ile siku yenyewe mama alienda meeting shule yenyu, akaambiwa ati hujaienda shule Saturday. Unakumbuka?
Lakini singilikuwa kirera. Mimi sikusema hiyo.
Ngoja. Let me tell you, this guy, my mom was preparing him every Saturday morning to go to school, and the teacher has never seen him on Saturday. Ulikuwa unaenda wapi?
Sikerera.
Kanchi?
Kandae.
Hizo Saturday zote.
Kwani hatukuwa tunaenda kirazi?
Lies. Unanipanga tu hapa.
Hiyo najua. Who is the most famous person that I've ever met with?
Unajuzi? Edith Irimo. My lord.
Can I speak more than one language?
Yeah. You can speak English, Kikuyu, and Swahili.
And some of Japanese. Some.
Okay.
Nikwambia moja. Ohayo.
Person. Ohayo ni basic.
Ohayo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hivi tumefanya hivi. Zimeisha. Oh, have I ever done split?
Never.
Never. Zimeisha.
So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.